We'd like to thank you for participating in this Maryland STEM Festival event. We hope you enjoy our virtual event and attend many more. You can find all the festival events on their website, www.marylandstemfestival.org. They ask that you follow their social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Use the hashtag MDSTEMFest to share your STEM festival experiences. There is a survey on the website to give feedback on this event to help make next year's experience even better. While you are there, don't forget to sign up for the festival's newsletter. Finally, please consider supporting the festival through our GoFundMe campaign, also on the website. Enjoy the program. Hi, my name is Vicki from the Wicomico County Libraries, and today we are going to do our very first STEM Festival video experiment. Today we are going to be making a lava lamp. So what we're going to need, and if you have a take and make kit from your local library, you should have almost everything you need. You will have a bottle of water, and you should probably take out about a third of the bottle. You can drink it, water your plants, give it to the dog, do something, don't waste it. You will also have gotten 2 effervescent tablets and 1 bath bomb. This one has Cookie Monster on it. And these are what you're going to need. You will also need from your home some oil. It can be vegetable oil, it can be canola oil, baby oil works just fine, but that's all you'll need. And if you're like me, you might need a funnel because it can get a little messy if you're bad at aiming. So what we're going to do to start is we're going to take our oil and we're going to pour it. And you don't want to put it too high because otherwise it will go everywhere. But maybe leave about 1 inch from the top of oil. And then, that way, put the cap on because you don't want to knock it over. So if you look at your bottle, you'll see there's a pretty decent little layer of oil, and that is because oil is less dense than water, and less dense will always rise to the top. Water is denser than oil. So after that, we're going to go ahead and put in our tablet and let it sink to the bottom, and it will react with the water. And you'll actually see a very, very small amount of bubbles come up from here. And if you look, you'll get a preview of what we're going to be doing, where a little bit of bubbles of blue come up. And what you can do is you can lid it, make sure the lid's on, and shake it just a little bit to get that blue all nice and dissolved. And then you'll watch the oil as it separates, and all the blue dye will fall back into the water as well because the dye only sticks to the water. It's hygroscopic. So once we get the water nice and blue, we'll take our lid off, and you'll have to break them in half because they don't fit. And you'll drop them in and watch what happens. Also, at this point, it might be smart to put your bottle in a bowl or some kind of dish so that if it does overflow, it doesn't make a mess. But then you'll see your lava lamp. The water will be bubbling up, and the effervescence will bring the water up, trapped in gas, and the dye will be visible, and it looks like lava. Effervescence is the chemical reaction that occurs that creates carbon dioxide. It's when a chemical reacts and creates a gas. In this case, it's carbon dioxide. And the great thing about this experiment is you can do it more than once. If you have more of these sitting around, like your parents have them sitting in their medicine cabinet, if you get permission from a grown-up, you can do this a couple of times. After a while, it will stop reacting because it'll be saturated with the chemical that makes it happen. But you can do it a couple of times and just keep watching, and it's really, really cool. If you want, you can even do less water and more oil. I did less because I don't have a whole lot of oil. And there it goes. Now we have a volcano. So there we go. That is our very simple lava lamp experiment. And today we learned about effervescence and chemical reactions that cause it, and a little bit about density. Liquid density. Oil is less dense than water, so it will rise to the top and sit on top of the water. It will not mix.
So I look forward to seeing everyone posting pictures to the library about their experiments. You can do a video yourself, or you can put it on our social media. We also are having a Beanstack program where you can say, I've done this, and enter into a drawing for a prize. So we look forward to that, and this is Miss Vicky signing off today, and we'll be back next week with another fun experiment.